it's Gramps again. Well, it's been 8 days since my doctor's visit. It's time to see if this journey is going to work. I had to record my blood pressure daily log for my doctor, so I added another tab in the spreadsheet to track my weight. And since I had to do my blood pressure daily, I decided I was going to do my weight daily as well. I know most people say you're not supposed to weigh daily, but I wanted to keep track of it and just see what happens. So I got on the scales, and to my relief, I had lost a little bit. How much? Well, I had lost 7 pounds in 8 days. It's almost a pound a day. Great, but can I keep this up? Will it continue to work? Well, the next few days, the pounds were still falling off. Well, let's see if we can take this green smoothie thing to the next level. So I started growing microgreens for my smoothies. What? Microgreens? Why? Well, they contain much more nutrients per ounce than the full-size greens. And my thought was that if I can pack enough nutrients into my smoothies, maybe I won't eat so much. That's the hypothesis anyway. We'll see if it works. Anyway, follow me on my journey. I'll have another weigh-in at day 14.